everybody, it's Judith. Today I want to show you how to do a crocheted chainless foundation. So when you have a pattern that tells you to make a chain of several stitches, like 30, 50, 100, and then turn and work either a row of single crochets or double crochets into that chain, this takes the place of that. If you may have ever made a big long chain and tried to crochet, single crochet or double crochet back into it, you know that can be really awkward. It can get twisted, it can be hard to see the chain stitches. So this solves that problem. So just remember what you're doing is you're going to be creating both the initial chain and the first row of single crochets or double crochets. So you're doing two steps in one step. So we'll get started. I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet chainless foundation first, and then we'll work the double crochet. So to begin, you make a slip knot and chain 2. Now go into the first chain you just made, pick up 2 parts of it, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop, still 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. We'll do that again and then I'll start to explain what we're doing. So go into the base of the stitch you just created, right here, and pull up a loop. 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop, so you still have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops together. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you what you're doing. Go into the base of the stitch you just made, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. You've just created a little chain stitch right there. And then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you've created a single crochet. So you have a single crochet sitting on top of a chain stitch. Again, go into the chain stitch that you just created, that first part of the stitch, yarn over and pull up 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through just the first loop, that is your chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, that is a single crochet. Okay, we'll do this one more time. Yarn over, go into the base of the chain stitch that you just made and yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop, chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 single crochet. So let's take a look at it here. You will see that you've got a row of chain stitches along the bottom and a row of single crochets on the top, sitting on top of those chain stitches. If you turn it over, you can count how many we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 chain stitches plus 5 single crochets. So if your pattern wants you to have 100 single crochets, you've got 5 of them already done, plus the chain stitches that they have to go into. So it's 2 steps in one. It's really, really cool. Okay, we'll do a couple more. Into the base of the chain stitch that you made, yarn over. I think I didn't get that quite right. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook, chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, single crochet. Again, through the base of the chain stitch you just made, yarn over, pull up, so you have 2 loops, yarn over, 1 is a chain stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops is a single crochet. And you just continue along like that until you have as many single crochets as your pattern tells you to have. Now to do the double crochet in a chainless foundation, it's virtually the same, there's just one extra step. Let's start with a slip knot. This time we chain 4. And we're going to work into the first chain you just made, but first you yarn over, and then you go into the first chain you made and draw up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook. That creates the chain stitch, and then we'll make the double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That was a double crochet. We'll do it again. Yarn over and go into the base or the chain stitch that you initially made there. Yarn over and pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first loop, so you still have 3 loops, and you created a chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That is a double crochet. Do a couple more of those. Yarn over, go into the chain stitch, get 2 parts of it, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop, that is your chain stitch, and then we'll make a double crochet. Yarn over and pull through twice, or through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We'll do 1 more. Yarn over and go into the base of the chain stitch you just made. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through that loop, chain stitch, and then we'll make the double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So now if we look and see what we've been doing, you have this initial, which is now 3 chains, because remember you've worked into the base of it at the very, very beginning. If you know much about double crochet, you know that you always have a turning chain, and that turning chain always counts as your first double crochet. So I like to mark that turning chain, because that counts as a double crochet. So when you come back, you have to remember to work into it. And if you have a marker on it, you won't forget. So we'll see how many we've made. Counting that chain 3, that 3-chained turning chain, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've created 5 double crochets sitting on a bed of chain stitches. So I hope you really give this a try. You'll probably use the single crochet much more than the double crochet, but give it a chance, and I think you'll find that it will work really well for you in a lot of circumstances. All right, see you later. Bye.